हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। तो आज हम बायो का जो एनटीए द्वारा जो सॉल्यूशन है उसको देखेंगे 1 to 90 तक। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एक से। क्वेश्चन 1, एज ईच सेल ऑफ स्पोरोजिनस टिश्यू इज कैपेबल ऑफ गिविंग राइज टू माइक्रोस्पोर टेट्राड, ईच वन इज पोटेंशियल। ऑप्शन था ए पोलन ग्रेन, बी माइक्रोस्पोर, सी मेल गैमेटोफाइट, डी पोलन मदर सेल। और करेक्ट आंसर हमारा होगा पोलन मदर सेल। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। द प्राइमरी स्पोरोजिनस सेल डिवाइड टू प्रोड्यूस अ मास ऑफ स्पोरोजिनस सेल्स और microsporocytes. Each microspore mother cell divides meiotically to form 4 haploid microspores or pollen grains and remain arranged in tetrads. Question number 2. How many of the given statements are incorrect? A. The ovaries are located on each side of the lower abdomen. B. Mons pubis, a cushion of fatty tissue covered by skin and pubic hair. C. A primary spermatocyte completes the second meiotic division, leading to the formation of two equal haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes, which have only 23 chromosomes each. D. The secondary follicles get surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells and a new theca. They are called tertiary follicles. और ऑप्शंस था A none, B 1, C 2, D 3 and the correct answer is C 2. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट सी और डी जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है। सी का जो स्टेटमेंट जो करेक्टेड है वो है सम स्पर्मेटोगोनिया टर्म्ड एज प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स पीरियोडिकली अंडरगो मियोसिस। प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट completes meiosis 1 reduction division and give rise to two equal sized cells called secondary spermatocyte n equal to 23. Both secondary spermatocytes undergo meiosis second equational division to produce two equal spermatids n each. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो स्टेटमेंट सी में जो लिखा हुआ है कि प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट कंप्लीट्स द सेकेंड मेटो डिवीजन, तो ये नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे प्राइमरी जो स्पर्मेटोसाइट है, सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट जो है वो सेकेंड मेयोटिक डिवीजन होता है। और डी का जो करेक्ट है, प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स आर कन्वर्टेड टू सेकेंडरी फॉलिकल्स बाय गेटिंग सराउंडेड बाय a few more layers of granulosa cells and a new theca. Following change occurs in the secondary follicle, after which it is immediately converted to tertiary follicle. First, development of fluid filled cavity called antrum. Second, differentiation of theca layer into theca interna inner and theca externa outer. Third, primary oocyte grows in size, completes meiosis 1 unequal division, resulting in the formation of large haploid secondary oocyte and a small first polar body. Tertiary follicle changes into mature follicle, Graafian follicle. Question number 3. Intrauterine devices are inserted by doctors or expert nurses in the uterus through vagina. These IUDs are presently available as the non-medicated IUDs. Example 1, copper releasing IUDs 2 and the hormone releasing IUDs 3. And the correct option is 1 Lippi's loop, second CU7 CUT multiload 325 and 3 Progestasert LNG20. Explanation. Types of IUDs: non-medicated IUDs Lippi's loop, second copper releasing IUDs CUT CU7 multiload 375, third hormone releasing IUDs Progestasert LNG20. Mechanism: IUDs induce the contraceptive effect by following mechanism. A. IUDs promote the phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. B. Copper ions released suppress the sperm motility and the fertilizing capacity of sperms. C. IUDs also make the uterus unfavorable for implantation and the cervix hostile to the sperms. 4. Choose the incorrect statement. Growth of callus culture is faster than suspension culture is incorrect statement. Explanation. Callus is an unorganized amorphous mass of cell which develops in tissue culture medium. Growth of callus is slow in comparison to suspension culture. In callus, auxin promotes root formation and cytokinin promotes shoot formation. Question number 5. The feeding of cattle should be carried out in scientific manner with special emphasis on, and answer is C, both quality and quantity of fodder. Explanation. In dairy farm management, A. Processes and systems are involved that increase milk yield and improve quality. B. Proper care is given to the cattle, well housed, well fed. A. Clean water. B. Fodder with quality and quantity and maintaining a disease free environment. C. Cleanliness and hygiene of the handler and animals are also maintained while milking. A storage and transport of the milk and its products. D. Regular inspection and visits by a veterinary doctor are mandatory. 6. Which of these is used as vector in gene therapy for SCID? And the correct answer is D. Retrovirus. Explanation. SCID is caused due to defect in gene which codes for enzyme adenosine deaminase ADA. Patients suffering from SCID bear non-functional T and B lymphocytes. In many cases, the patient failed to mount an immune response against attacking pathogens. The ideal approach for SCID treatment is to provide functional ADA enzyme replacement therapy, in which functional ADA is given to the patient by injection. The first step towards gene therapy is the lymphocytes that blood of the patient are grown in a culture outside the body. A functional ADA cDNA is transfected by using a retroviral vector into these lymphocytes, and these cells are subsequently reinserted back to the patient. इसमें की कंसेप्ट्स में रेट्रोवायरस के बारे में एक बार देख लेते हैं. Retrovirus mediated gene transfer. This gene transfer is mediated by mean of carrier or vector, generally a virus or a plasmid. Retrovirus are commonly used as vector. The killed virus is replication defective. The virus gene is replaced with transgene. The transgene is delivered to the host cell by transfection gene therapy. This can be used to transfect a wide range of cells such as embryonic cells. The result is a chimera, an organism consisting of tissue or parts of diverse genetic constitution. Retroviral vectors then infects the cells of an early stage embryo prior to implantation into a preceptive female. A retrovirus is a virus that carries its genetic material in the form of RNA rather than DNA. Question number 7. Ecologically, the most important factor that controls the distribution of organism on Earth is, and answer is B. Temperature. Explanation. Ecologically, temperature is the most important factor because it controls distribution of organisms on Earth. On the basis of temperature tolerance, both plants and animals show a distribution pattern on Earth. Temperature affects all physiological functions of organisms through its effect on enzyme activity. 8. Which pigments are required for the mechanism of vision? C. Both opsin and retinal. Explanation by NTA. The photosensitive compounds photopigments in the human eye are composed of opsin, a protein, and retinal, an aldehyde of vitamin A. Light induces dissociation of the retinal from opsin, resulting in changes in the structure of opsin, and potential differences are generated in the photoreceptor cells. This produces a signal that generates action potentials in the ganglion cells through the bipolar cells, and the impulses are transmitted by the optic nerves to the visual cortex area of the brain, where the neural impulses are analyzed and the image formed on the retina is recognized. 9. Which of the following are invasive alien species in Indian context? Answer is all of these. Lantana, Parthenium, Ecornia. Explanation by NTA. Whenever alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately, some of them turn invasive and cause the decline or extinction of indigenous species. In India, the environmental damage is caused by invasive weed species like carrot grass, Parthenium, lantana, and water hyacinth, Ecornia, and threat is posed to our native species. 10. The diagram provided below is used to remove which type of pollution? Answer: particulate matter. Explanation by NTA. It is an electrostatic precipitator which can remove 99.9% of particulate matter present in the exhaust from a thermal power plant. Electrostatic precipitator ESP separates the dust particle by charging them in presence of electric field, generating a corona of electrons. 11. Match the column. A. Nitrous oxide. B. Chlorofluorocarbons. C. Methane. D. Ozone. E. Carbon dioxide. First, secondary pollutant from car exhaust. Second, combustion of fossil fuels. Third, denitrification. Fourth, refrigerators, aerosol sprays. Fifth, cattle rice fields, toilets. And the correct answer is A. Here is correction. A का थर्ड होना चाहिए और D का सेकेंड होना चाहिए, दिया हुआ है. Explanation by NTA. The nitrogen dioxide are released into the atmosphere when fossil fuels are burnt, and that contributes to the formation of smoke and acid rain. Chlorofluorocarbons CFCs are the compounds released into the atmosphere due to the usage of air conditioning, refrigeration, blowing agents in foams, insulations and packing materials, propellants in aerosol cans, and as solvents. The digestion activity of the methanogenic bacteria, the decomposition of fecal matter in the toilets and rice fields release methane into the environment. Ozone in the troposphere is the secondary pollutant formed by the photooxidation of the car exhaust pollutants. Oxygen combined with carbon to form CO2 and with hydrogen to form water when fossil fuels are burned. Question number 12. Which of the following bryophytes provides a product that is commonly used as fuels? Answer B. Sphagnum. Explanation by NTA. Species of sphagnum moss provide peat that have long been used as fuel and as packing material for transshipment of living material because of their capacity to hold water. Question number 13. Parenchyma is usually present in first cortex, second phloem fiber, third pericycle, fourth pith, fifth hypodermis, sixth medullary ridge, seventh xylem fibers, eighth mesophyll tissue. And the correct answer is 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. Explanation by NTA. Parenchyma is the most abundant tissue commonly known as filling tissue, which is present in all plant parts. Phloem fibers, bast fibers are made up of sclerenchymatous cells. The hypodermis is made up of collenchymatous or sclerenchymatous cells. Next, question number 14. The cell organelle associated with photorespiration is A. mesosome, B. ribosome, C. peroxisome, D. lysosome. And correct answer is peroxisome. Explanation by NTA. Photorespiration is a wasteful process which occurs in C3 plants at high temperature and high light intensity. It occurs by glycolate cycle which occurs in chloroplast, mitochondria and peroxisome. Question number 15. A karyotype is used to study first number of chromosomes, second position of centromere, third position of chromosome, fourth length of arms, fifth secondary constriction. And the correct answer is B. 1, 2, 4, 5. Explanation by NTA. Karyotyping is the process by which photographs of chromosomes are taken to determine the chromosome complement of an individual, including the number of chromosomes and any abnormalities. A karyotype is used to analyze the number of chromosomes, to determine the position of centromere, to measure the length of the arms, and to observe the secondary constriction, but not the position of chromosome. Question number 16. Which of the organisms show mitotic division in both haploid and diploid cells? And the answer is B. Plants. Explanation by NTA. In animals, mitotic cells division is only seen in the diploid somatic cells. The plants show mitotic division in both haploid and diploid cells and show alternation of generation. 17. A cell undergoes mitosis in 30 minutes. Find the number of cells produced after 24 hours if initially 10 to the power 5 seconds 10 to the power 5 cells are present. And correct answer is B. 2 to the power 48 into 10 to the power 5. Explanation. A cell undergoes one round of mitosis in 30 minutes. Thus, it undergoes 48 divisions in 24 hours. Hence, the number of cells produced is 2 to power 48. Each cell undergoes division, so the total number of cells produced is 2 to power 48 into 10 to power 5. 18. The osmotic pressure of 1 m solution of sucrose is 22.4 atm. What will be the osmotic potential of 0.1 m sucrose solution? Correct answer is C, minus 2.24 bars. Explanation by NTA. Osmotic potential is a modern term for osmotic pressure. The osmotic pressure for a solution is positive, but its value is negative for osmotic potential. Hence, osmotic pressure equal to minus osmotic potential. The osmotic pressure of 1 m solution is 22.4 atm. Hence, for 0.1 m solution, it will be 2.24 atm. 19. How many ATP will be produced during the production of 1 molecule of acetyl-CoA from 1 molecule of pyruvic acid? A 3 ATP is the correct answer. Explanation by NTA. During formation of 1 molecule of acetyl-CoA from 1 molecule of pyruvic acid, 1 dehydrogenation reaction occurs and the hydrogen liberated is accepted by NAD plus, forming NADH plus H plus through ETS. 1 NADH H plus produces 3 molecule of ATP. 20. Two important intrinsic controls which are important in plant growth and development are. Answer is C, both A and B, PGRS and genomic control. Explanation by NTA. Plant growth regulators PGRS are phytohormones, control growth and development of plants and play an important role along with genomic control. PGRS can be growth promoters or inhibitors. 21. A unique vascular connection that exists between the digestive tract and liver is commonly known as. And answer D, portal system. Explanation by NTA. The hepatic portal system represents the vascular connection between the digestive tract and liver. The hepatic portal vein carries nutrient-rich blood from the intestine to the liver before it delivered to the systemic circulation. Question number 22. How much blood is filtered by the human kidney in 1 minute? Correct answer C, 1100 ml. Explanation by NTA. Glomerular filtration or ultrafiltration is the process of urine formation, and about 1100 to 1200 ml of blood, that is 1/5 of the cardiac output, is filtered at the level of the glomerulus in both the kidney per minute. Filtration is a non-selective process. The glomerular capillary blood pressure results in the filtration of blood. Question number 23. Which of the following sphincters guard the opening of a stomach into the duodenum? Correct answer B, pyloric sphincter. Explanation by NTA. The small intestine is distinguishable into 3 regions: a C-shaped duodenum, a long coiled middle portion jejunum, and a highly coiled ileum. The opening of the stomach into the duodenum is guarded by the pyloric sphincter. 24. Incorrect statement about electrical synapse is. Correct answer A. The neurotransmitter released from the presynaptic membrane binds to receptor on the postsynaptic membrane. Explanation. Here distinction between electric synapse and chemical synapse. Electrical synapse. The membrane of pre and postsynaptic neurons are very close to each other, but in chemical synapse the membrane of the pre and postsynaptic neurons are separated by a fluid filled space called the synaptic cleft. In electrical synapse, the electric current flows directly from one neuron into the other across these synapses, but in chemical synapse neurotransmitters are involved in the transmission of impulses at these synapses. In electrical synapse, impulse transmission occurs at a faster rate, but in chemical synapse impulse transmission occurs at a slower rate. In electrical synapse rare in our body, but chemical synapse is very common in our body. 25. Which of the following correctly describes the function of FSH in females? And the correct answer A. It stimulates growth and development of the ovarian follicles. Explanation by NTA. a function of FSH. In males, regulation of spermatogenesis by FSH and androgens. In females, FSH stimulates growth and development of ovarian follicles in females. 26. How many of the given statements are true? First, pars nervosa stores and release two hormones called oxytocin and vasopressin. Second, melatonin influences the menstrual cycle. Third, calcitonin stimulates reabsorption of Ca2 plus by the renal tubules. Fourth, after ovulation, the ruptured follicles are converted into macular lutea. And correct answer is 2C. Explanation. Statement 3 and 4 are incorrect. Third, thyrocalcitonin TCT decreases the blood calcium levels and inhibit reabsorption of Ca2 plus by the renal tubules. Fourth, LH surge, peak concentration of LH during the mid-cycle results in rupture of Graafian follicle and release of an ovum. Ovulation, remnants of Graafian follicle are transformed into the corpus luteum, which secretes large amounts of progesterone to maintain the endometrium. Question number 27. The enzyme missing in phenylketonuria is answer A. Phenylalanine hydroxylase. Explanation by NTA. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive disorder in which non-formation of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase results in the accumulation of phenylalanine. This gets converted to phenyl pyruvate, which gets accumulated in CNS and results in mental retardation. It also shows multiple phenotypic effects. This is also an example of pleiotropy. 28. Which of the following biological phenomenon involves a bacteriophage? Correct answer D. Transduction. Explanation by NTA. Transfer of segment of DNA from one bacteria to another by a virus or a bacteriophage is called transduction. It is a primitive method of gene transfer observed in bacteria. Question number 29. Blind sac body plan is found in the members of D. Coelenterata and Platyhelminthes is correct answer. Explanation by NTA. The digestive system is incomplete with a single opening blind sac body plan that acts as anus and mouth. This body plan is observed in Coelenterates and Platyhelminthes. The digestive system is complete with two openings, tube within tube plan, which behave as anus and mouth separately. This body plan is observed in SK helminthes to chordates. Question number 30. Which of the following sets of phylum characteristics is found in phylum Equinodermata? Correct answer A. Presence of water vascular system and indirect development of larva. Explanation by NTA. An adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical while their larva is bilaterally symmetrical. They are triploblastic and coelomate organisms. The most distinctive feature of echinoderms is the presence of water vascular system, which helps in locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration. An excretory system is absent. Sexes are separate, reproduction is sexual, fertilization is usually external, development is indirect with free swimming larvae. 31. The Montreal Protocol has been introduced to, correct answer A, check depletion of ozone layer. Explanation by NTA. Recognizing the deleterious effects of ozone depletion, an international treaty known as the Montreal Protocol was signed at Montreal, Canada in 1987, effective in 1989, to control the emission of ozone depleting substances. 32. In angiosperms, the endosperm is, and correct answer D, formed after fertilization. Explanation. In angiosperms, the endosperm is diploid and is a post-fertilization product. It is formed by the fusion of second male gamete with two polar nuclei. This fusion is also called triple fusion. Question number 33. A large quantity of monoclonal antibodies are produced from, correct answer C, hybridoma cells. Explanation by NTA. For monoclonal antibody production, Kohler and Milstein developed hybridoma technology in which a myeloma tumor cell was fused with an antibody producing B lymphocyte. The hybrid cell thus produced was named as hybridoma cell. It inherited the antibody producing nature from lymphocytes and the dividing capability from the tumor cells. Question number 34. Gel electrophoresis is used for answer B. Separation of DNA fragments according to their size. Explanation by NTA. Gel electrophoresis is the technique of separation of charged molecules under electric field in a suitable medium or matrix. The movement of molecules depends upon their charge and size. DNA being negatively charged moves towards the positive electrodes, and the smaller molecules move faster than the larger molecules. 35. Which of the following is the most common pathway in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration? A. Electron transport system. B. Krebs cycle. C. Glycolysis. D. Glycogenolysis. And correct answer glycolysis. Explanation. Glycolysis is the common pathway in aerobic and anaerobic respiration which occurs in cytoplasm. In glycolysis, one molecule of glucose breaks to form two molecules of pyruvic acid in cytoplasm. 36. Select the mismatch among the following. And correct answer B. Columba diaphragm. Explanation. Columba is a genus of large-bodied pigeons, a bird, whereas the diaphragm is a mammalian feature. Condictids is a group of cartilage fishes that possesses placoid scales. Blanoglossus is a member of phylum Hemichordata having proboscis glands, an excretory organ. Limulus is an arthropod having chitinous cuticle. Question number 37. The genus Chitona mollusk is answer A. Chitopelura. Explanation. Members of phylum Mollusca includes Ampullaridia, apple snail, pink tarda, pearl oyster, loligo, squid, octopus, devilfish, dentalium, tusk shell, Aplysia, sea hare, Chitopelura, chitons, sepia, cuttlefish, Arcuthis, giant squid, helix, land snail. 38. The mucosa of the stomach is lined with A, and correct answer is D. Glandular simple columnar epithelium. Explanation by NTA. Simple columnar epithelia, single layer of tall and slender cells with basally placed nuclei. Main function secretion and absorption. If glands are present, it is of glandular type. Location. A. The lining of the stomach and colon. B. The lining of a small intestine with microvilli. Question number 39. In rotifers, syngamy is absent. Which mode of reproduction is observed in this organism instead? A. Parthenogenesis. Explanation. Development of egg cells or female gamete to form embryo without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. The organism thus formed will be haploid. This is observed in honeybees, rotifers, turkey and some lizards. 40. In which of the following locations are Saccharide groups found? Answer D. All the above. Explanation. In many cultures, tracts of forest were set aside and all the trees and wildlife within were venerated and given total protection. Such Saccharide groups are found in Kasi and Jaintia hills in Meghalaya, Aravalli hills in Rajasthan, western Ghat regions of Karnataka and Maharashtra, and the Sarguja, Canada, Chanda and Bastar areas of Madhya Pradesh in Meghalaya. The Saccharide groups are the last refuges for a large number of rare and threatened plants. 41. Which set of evolutionary stages of humans were discovered before ape man? And correct answer A. Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus. Explanation by NTA. Evolutionary stages of human Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus approximately 15 million years ago, Australopithecines 2 million years ago, Homo habilis, Homo erectus 1.5 million years ago, Neanderthal man 1 lakh to 14,000 years ago, and Homo sapiens. Question number 42. Phloem sap is mainly composed of answer A, water and sucrose. Explanation by NTA. Phloem sap is a complex mixture of organic and inorganic substances. Sucrose is the main sugar in phloem sap and its concentration varies between species. Other sugars such as hexose, example glucose and fructose, raffinose, oligosaccharides, and polyols, mannitose, and sorbitols are also found in phloem sap. 43. Which of the following muscles are known to be evolutionary branched and striated? Known to be involuntary branched and striated. Correct answer C, cardiac muscles. Explanation. Cardiac muscles are muscles of the heart. These are a type of striated muscles. Many cardiac muscle cells form a branching pattern in a cardiac muscle. These are involuntary muscles and are not under direct control of the nervous system. These participate in working of the heart. Question number 44. Which of the following is a substitution of mitochondria in E. coli? Correct answer C, mesosome. Explanation by NTA. Mesosomes are unique membranous bacterial structures that actively function in cell injury and physiological cellular processes such as replication and separation of nucleotides and oxidative phosphorylation. Mesosome is an infolding of bacterial cell membrane. It is rich in enzymes and increased surface area. It helps in respiration. Question number 45. Which of the following amino acid is coded by only single codon? And correct answer C, tryptophan. The amino acid tryptophan is coded solely by a single codon of UGG. Tyrosine is coded by two different codons, UAU and USC. Phenylalanine is coded by two codons, UUU and UUC. And isoleucine is coded by three codons, AUU, AUC and AUA. Question number 46. Destruction of chlorophyll, premature falling of leaves and yellowing of leaf is caused due to excess amount of SO2 in the atmosphere. B is the correct answer. Explanation by NTA. Plants are sensitive to sulfur dioxide and they are affected by it both directly and indirectly. The direct effect may be acute or chronic depending on the duration and intensity of the exposure. Sulfur dioxide inhibits photosynthesis by disrupting the photosynthetic mechanism. Question number 47. What is correct about the anal cerci in a cockroach? A. Emerge out from the tail segment in both the sexes is correct answer. Explanation. The abdomen in both male and female cockroaches consists of 10 segments. A pair of anal cerci are found in the 10th segment of both the sexes. They are joint filamentous structures that are sensitive to sound and vibration. Meanwhile, anal styles are a pair of short thread-like structures that help in copulation. These are found in males only. 48. Which of the following structures is composed of cuboidal epithelium and contains microvilli? And the correct answer is B, proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. Explanation by NTA. The cuboidal epithelium is composed of a single layer of cube-like cells. This is commonly found in ducts of glands and tubular parts of nephrons in kidneys, and its main function are secretion and absorption. The epithelium of proximal convoluted tubule, PCT of the nephron in the kidney has microvilli. Question number 49. Which substance is incorrectly matched with its mode of absorption in the gut? And the correct answer is D. Most of the amino acids facilitate transport. Explanation by NTA. Various mechanisms are involved in the absorption of the nutrients. A. Simple diffusion. Some amount of monosaccharides such as glucose, some amounts of amino acids and few electrolytes such as chloride ion. Simple diffusion. B. Facilitate transport. Some amount of glucose and some amino acids. C. Active transport. Monosaccharides such as glucose, most of the absorption. Most of the amino acids and electrolytes like sodium ion, absorption of water depends on the osmotic gradient. 50. Which of the following is correct for mRNA synthesized in leukocytes? And correct answer is B. Exon appear but introns do not appear in the mature RNA. इसका ट्रिक भी है कि एक्जोन और इंट्रोन दोनों, इंट्रोन यानी कि रहना चाहिए, इंट्रोन इनसाइड रहना चाहिए, लेकिन इंट्रोन्स हो रहता नहीं। एक्जोन मतलब कि बाहर होना चाहिए एक्स, तो यहाँ पे बस जस्ट उसका अपोजिट है, एक्जोन ही रहता है, अपीयर होता है, और इंट्रोन ही जाता है बाहर। Explanation by NTA. RNA splicing is a post-transcriptional process necessary to form a mature mRNA. In eukaryotes, the gene contains extra sequences that do not code for any protein. In these organisms, transcription of DNA produces pre-mRNA. These pre-mRNA transcripts often contains regions called introns, which are intervening sequences which must be removed prior to translation by the process of splicing. The regions of RNA that code for a protein are called exons. The introns are intervening sequences within a pre-mRNA molecules that do not code for any protein and are removed during RNA processing by a spliceosome. Question number 51. In the larynx, which of the following is a thin elastic cartilaginous flap? Correct answer D. Epiglottis. Explanation by NTA. Larynx. The pharynx opens into the trachea through the larynx. The larynx is a cartilaginous box which is responsible for sound production. Hence, it is also called as a sound box. Epiglottis. It is a thin elastic cartilaginous flap that prevents the entry of food into the larynx during swelling. Question number 52. The spinal cord passes through which of the following vertebral structure? And the correct answer A. Neural canal. Explanation by NTA. The vertebra extends from the base of the skull and forms the main framework of the trunk. Neural canal or vertebral canal. It is the central hollow portion of the vertebra through which the spinal cord passes. Neurocele of central canal is filled with CSF. Question number 53. Which the following disorders show a karyotype of 47 chromosomes XXY? And correct answer Klinefelter syndrome. इसका मैंने एक ट्रिक भी बना रखा है, ऐसा याद रखना है KEX और टैक्स याद रखना है TX। तो KEX मतलब K से Klinefelter सिंड्रोम, E फॉर एक्स्ट्रा, X फॉर X, और टैक्स मतलब T फॉर टर्नर सिंड्रोम, और A फॉर एब्सेंस, X मतलब X। यानी कि जो नॉर्मल जो जीनोटाइप जो नॉर्मल कैरियोटाइप होता है उससे एक्स्ट्रा और एक एब्सेंस ऑफ X, ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। Klinefelter syndrome is caused by the presence of additional copy of X chromosome resulting in a karyotype of 47 XXY. Such an individual has overall masculine development. However, the feminine development of breast, that is gynecomastia, is also expressed. Such individuals are sterile. Question number 54. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Which one of the following triplets codes for valine? And correct answer is D. GUG. Explanation by NTA. Sickle cell anemia is caused by a mutation in the hemoglobin beta gene found on chromosome 11. The defect is caused by substitution of glutamic acid GLU by valine VAL at the 6th position of the beta globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule. The substitution of amino acid in the globin protein results due to single base substitution at the 6th codon of the beta globin gene from GAG to GUG. Question number 55. The distance between the genes and percentage recombination shows. Answer A. A direct relationship. Explanation by NTA. If two genes are far apart on a chromosome, we would expect that the proportion of myocytes in which a crossover occurs between the genes would be greater than in case in which two linked loci are very close together. Thus, by determining the frequency of recombinants, we should be able to obtain a measure of the map distance between the genes. Question number 56. In the human brain, the cerebral aqueduct passes through. And correct answer C. Midbrain. Explanation by NTA. Location between the thalamus hypothalamus of the forebrain and pons of hindbrain. Cerebral aqueduct passes through the midbrain. The dorsal portion of the midbrain mainly consists of 4 round swelling lobes. These are termed as corpora quadrigemina. Midbrain receives tactile and visual responses. Question number 57. Which set of animals are included under protochordates? A. Salpa, Doliolum, Branchiostoma is correct answer. Explanation by NTA. Subphyla Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred to as protochordates and are exclusively marine. In Urochordata, the notochord is present only in larval tail, whereas in Cephalochordata, it extends from head to tail region and persistent throughout their life. Examples: Urochordata, Scidia salpa, Doliolum, Cephalochordata, Branchiostoma, Amphioxus or Lancelet. Question number 58. Racemose inflorescence is observed in the family. Correct answer D. Fabaceae. Explanation by NTA. In racemose type of inflorescence, the main axis continues to grow. The flowers are borne laterally in a acropetal succession. This type of inflorescence is observed in the members of Fabaceae family. Example: soyabeans, groundnuts, Sesbania, Indigofera, etc. Question number 59. The stem with bicollateral vascular bundles and flower with synandrous condition is found in, and correct answer C. Cucurbitaceae. Explanation by NTA. In bicollateral vascular bundles, xylem is surrounded on both sides by phloem. In synandrous stamens, both anther lobes and filaments are fused. These conditions are characteristics of the Cucurbitaceae family. Question number 60. Which organ is responsible for the secretion of the erythropoietin hormone? And correct answer B. Kidney. Explanation. Erythropoietin is a peptide hormone produced by the juxtaglomerular cells in the kidney. It stimulates the formation of RBC, erythropoiesis. Question number 61. Which of the following is incorrect about spermatogenesis? And correct answer C. Production of one sperm and 3 polar bodies. Explanation by NTA. बहुत लंबा चौड़ा है भाई. Steps involved in spermatogenesis. Step 1. Spermatogonia are A2n equal to 46 are present in the inside wall of seminiferous tubules. Spermatogonium divides mitotically to increase in number. Step 2. Some spermatogonia termed as primary spermatocytes periodically undergoes meiosis. Primary spermatocyte completes meiosis first, reduction division, and gives rise to 2 equal sized cells called secondary spermatocytes n equal to 23. Step 3. Both secondary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis second equational division to produce 2 equal spermatids n each. Step 4. Each spermatid is transformed into spermatozoa sperms by process of spermiogenesis. Step 5. After spermiogenesis, the head of sperms becomes embedded in the Sertoli cells. Sperms are finally released from the seminiferous tubules by the process called spermiation. Question number 62. Which taxonomical acts provide protection and identification of animals in artificial habitat? And the correct answer is C. Zoological park. Explanation. A zoological park is placed where wild animals are kept with human controls in a natural environment. A zoo, short form zoological park, is a facility in which animals are housed within enclosures, cared for and displayed to the public. It is a kind of taxonomical aid. Question number 63. Bacteria that are saprotrophs but can be parasite and cause disease upon introduction to host body are called as. Correct answer C. Facultative parasite. Explanation by NTA. In biology, the term facultative means having the capacity to live under more than one specific set of environmental conditions, as a plant that can lead either a parasitic or a non-parasitic life, or bacterium that can live with or without air. Thus, a facultative parasite is a saprotroph that can also live as a parasite. 64. Which of the following changes does not occur during convergence of secondary follicles into tertiary follicles? Correct answer D. Second polar body is released. Explanation by NTA. Following changes occur in the secondary follicle, after which it is immediately converted to tertiary follicle. A. Development of a fluid-filled cavity called antrum. B. Differentiation of theca layer into theca interna inner and theca externa outer. C. Primary oocyte grows in size, completes meiosis 1, unequal division resulting in the formation of a large haploid secondary oocyte and a small first polar body. Question number 65. Oogamous type of sexual reproduction is found in? Answer B. Volvox. Explanation by NTA. Oogamy is a form of anisogamy, heterogamy, in which the female gamete, example egg cell, is significantly larger than male gamete and is non-motile. Oogamy is the most advanced form of reproduction, with the egg cell or oogonium retained and fertilized on the parent plant. Question number 66. In which of the following plants both pollen grain and seeds have a wing-shaped structure? Answer is Pinus. Explanation. At maturity, the pollen grains are released from the male cones and dispersed by air currents. At this time, a pollen grain has two prothelial cells, a generative cell and tube cells. They form yellow clouds in pine forests. A pollen grain has two air sacs or wing for making it light. Part of the upper surface of ovuliferous scale is peeled off along with the seed to form its wing. A female cone takes 26 months for reaching maturity. It further opens to release winged seeds that are dispersed by air. After falling on suitable soil, each seed gives rise to new plant. Question number 67. In chloroplast, the site for initial photochemical reaction is? Answer is C. Thylakoid membrane. Explanation. The light reaction takes place in the thylakoid disc, where water is oxidized and oxygen is released. The electrons freed up from the water are transferred to ATP and NADPH. The dark reaction takes place in the stroma, aqueous fluid surrounding the stacks of thylakoids. 68. In which of the following enzymes non-protein part is heme? And correct answer D. B and C. Explanation. B and C यानी peroxidase and catalase. Prosthetic groups are organic compounds and are distinguished from other cofactors in a way that are tightly bound to apoenzyme. In peroxidase and catalase, which catalyze the breakdown of hydrogen peroxidase to water and oxygen. Heme is the prosthetic group and it is part of the active site of the enzyme. 69. S.L. Miller gave the experimental proof of the theory of chemical evolution. Which chemical substances were obtained by him during experiment? Answer C. Amino acids. Explanation by NTA. The condition on Earth were high temperature volcanic storms reducing atmosphere containing CH4, NH3 etc. In 1953, S.L. Miller, an American scientist, created similar condition on laboratory scale. He created electric discharge in a closed flask containing CH4, H2, NH3 and water vapors at 800 degrees Celsius. He observed the formation of amino acids. 70. Tubulin protein is synthesized in which phase of cell cycle? Correct answer C. Interphase. Explanation. Interphase is the portion of the cell cycle that is not accompanied by observable changes under the microscope and includes the G1S and G2 phases. During interphase, the cell grows G1, replicates its DNA S and prepares for mitosis G2. 71. Which of the following is not common between facilitated transport and active transport? Answer A. Uphill transport. Explanation by NTA. Property, facilitated transport or active transport. First, requires a special protein membrane protein. Yes. Active transport, yes. Highly selective, facilitated transport and active transport, both yes. Transport saturates in both uphill transport only uphill in active transport, and requires ATP energy only in active transport. 72. All the following statements are correct about homologous organs except answer B. Homologous organs perform same function is not correct. Homologous organs explanation. These are the organs that share a common origin or ancestor but have different functions. Such organs show divergent evolution. Example first, pattern of bones of forelimbs in whales, bats, cheetah and humans. Example 2, vertebrate hearts. Example 3, vertebrate brains. Example 4, thorns of वागनवेलिया एंड ट्रेंडलिस ऑफ कुकुरबिटा। मैंने इसका एक ट्रिक बना भी बताया है, जैसे होमोलोगस को बताते हैं डाइवर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन और एनालोगस को बोलते हैं कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन। तो HD यानी कि होमोलोगस डाइवर्जेंट और AC यानी कि एनालोगस कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन ऐसे ट्रिक से याद रख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 73, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लाइट रिएक्शन इन ग्रीन एल्गी इज आंसर ए ATP NADPH plus H plus। Explanation by NTA. The energy of light captured by pigment molecules called chlorophylls in chloroplasts is used to generate high energy electrons with great reducing potential. These electrons are used to produce NADPH as well as ATP in a series of reactions called the light reactions. NADPH and ATP formed by the action of light further reduce carbon dioxide and convert it into 3-phosphoglycerate by a series of reactions called the Calvin cycle or the Drake reactions. 74. Identify the disease which is characterized by the following symptoms: A. Alveoli filled with fluid, B. fever, chills, headache, C. coughing. Answer is A. pneumonia. Explanation by NTA. Pneumonia caused by Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. Mode of infection by inhaling the droplets aerosols released by an infected person. Pathway: entry of pathogen in respiratory tract. Infection of alveoli get filled with fluid, severe breathing problems. Signs and symptoms: fever, chills, cough and headache. Lips and fingernails may turn grey to bluish in severe cases. 75. Primary acceptor in TCA cycle is A. Answer A. oxaloacetic acetate. Explanation by NTA. In TCA cycle, a 4-carbon compound oxaloacetate condenses with a 2-carbon acetyl unit to yield a 6-carbon tricarboxylic acid citrate. It is the gateway to the aerobic metabolism of any molecules that can be transformed into an acetyl group or dicarboxylic acid. The cycle is also an important source of precursors not only for the storage forms of fuels but also for the building blocks of many other molecules such as amino acids, nucleotide bases, cholesterol and porphyrin. Question number 76. Which of the following shows plasticity? Answer A. cotton. Explanation by NTA. Plants follow different pathways in response to the environment or phases of life forms to form different kinds of structures. This ability is called plasticity. Example: heterophyll in cotton, coriander and larkspur. In some plants, the leaves of the juvenile plant are different in shapes from those in mature plants. On the other hand, differences in shapes of leaves produced in air and those produced in water is buttercup also represent the heterophyllous development due to the environment. This phenomenon of heterophyly is an example of plasticity. 77. Which of the following is not true about the stomach in humans? And the correct answer is D. The secretion of gastric glands does not have lipases is not correct. Explanation: food remains in the stomach for 4 to 5 hours. During this time, it mixes thoroughly with the acidic gastric juice by the churning movement of the muscular walls of the stomach and is now called the chyme. Digestion in the stomach: A. Proenzyme pepsinogen activated by HCl give pepsin active enzyme. B. Proteins pepsin pH 1.8 proteases and peptones peptides. C. Renin, a proteolytic enzyme in gastric juice of infants, helps in the digestion of milk protein. D. Lipases are also secreted in a small amounts. 78. Which of the following organism is not correctly matched with its respiratory organ? And the correct answer is D. Explanation: organisms, their respiratory organs. Lower invertebrates such as sponges, coeluroids, flatworms, entire or general body surface, earthworm, moist cuticle, insects, the network of tubes, tracheal tubes, aquatic arthropods and mollusks, gills, special vascularized structures, fishes, gills, amphibians such as frogs, lungs and moist skin, reptiles, birds and mammalians, lungs. 79. From the given list, how many are not associated with asexual reproduction? Sugarcane, ginger, maize, barley, tobacco, pea, sunflower, potato, bryophyllum. And correct answer is C. 5. Maize, barley, tobacco, pea and sunflower do not propagate vegetatively in nature. Vegetative reproduction in any form is any form of asexual reproduction occurring in plants in which a new plant grows from a fragment of the parent plant or a specialized reproductive structure. Question number 80. Amoebic dysentery is caused by C. Ant amoeba histolytica, and correct explanation is Ant amoeba histolytica, a protozoan parasite in the large intestine. Disease: amoebiasis, amoebic dysentery. Mode of infection: contamination of food and water by house flies. Sign and symptoms: abdominal pain and cramps, constipation, stools with excess mucus and blood clots. 81. Minerals required for germination of pollen grain on stigma are: A. Calcium and boron. Explanation: pollen germination and pollen tube growth are regulated by transferring inorganic calcium 2 plus ion and boron across the plasma membrane. For in vitro pollen germination and pollen tube growth, boron is one of the essential factors. Boron greatly affects the frequency of pollen germination and the morphology of the pollen tube. 82. Grasshopper is an example of: answer B. Exotype of sex determination. Explanation: grasshopper is an example of exotype of sex determination in which the males have only one X chromosome besides the autosomes, whereas females have a pair of X chromosomes. The determination of sex of progeny depends on males. 83. Monoscus purpureus is used commercially in the production of, and correct answer is C. statins. मैंने इसका ट्रिक भी बना रखा है अपने चैनल पे, आप वहाँ चैनल पे विजिट करके वीडियो देख सकते हैं. एक्सप्लेनेशन: Monoscus purpureus is used commercially in the production of blood cholesterol lowering statins. It is a species of mold that is purplish red in color. 84. Amphetamines and caffeine are respectively. Correct answer is D. Both stimulant. Amphetamines stimulant, caffeine stimulant. Explanation: drugs like barbiturates, depressants, and amphetamines stimulant and benzodiazepines depressant are normally used as medicines to treat patients suffering from mental illness such as depression and insomnia. These drugs are often abused. Caffeine also acts as a stimulant of CNS. 85. Which of the following is not haploid? Correct answer A and B. Primary spermatocyte and spermatogonia, both diploid. Explanation: stages in spermatogenesis: spermatogonia diploid, primary spermatocyte diploid, secondary spermatocyte haploid, spermatis haploid, and spermatozoa sperms also haploid. Stages in oogenesis: oogonia diploid, primary oocyte diploid, secondary oocyte haploid, and oocytes haploid. 86. Select the correct statement. Answer B. Cervical caps and vaults both are barrier methods of contraception. Explanation by NTA: the barrier methods of contraception, these methods prevent the ovum and sperms from physically meeting. Such methods are available for both males and females. Examples: A. Condoms. These are made up of thin rubber lattices that covers the penis in the male or vagina and cervix in the female. just before coitus so that the semen may not be ejaculated into the female reproductive tract. Nirodh, popular brand of condom for the male. B. Diaphragm, cervical caps and vaults. These are made of rubber that is inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. Spermicidal creams, jellies, and foams can also be used with barrier methods to increase their efficiency. 87. Mark the correct pair. Answer B. Diapause zooplanktons. Explanation by NTA. Diapause is a form of developmental arrest in zooplanktons that is much like hibernation in higher animals. 88. The Abingdon tortoise became extinct on Galapagos Island within a decade of the introduction of goats. This is an example of correct answers D. Interference competition. Explanation. The Abingdon tortoise in Galapagos Island became extinct within a decade only after goats were introduced on the island. It is an example of competitive exclusion. It happened due to the lesser browsing efficiency of the tortoise. Question number 89, the last one. The radula is found in dash and helps in dash. Correct answer A. Mollusca feeding. The radula is a file-like rasping organ in mouth that helps in feeding. It is found in all mollusks except bivalves. And last question of biology is 90. Limits of the environment to support a population is called its C. Carrying capacity. Explanation. In ecological terms, the carrying capacity of an ecosystem is the size of the community or population that can be supported indefinitely upon the available resources and services of that ecosystem. Living within the limits of an ecosystem depends on three factors: the number of resources available in the ecosystem, the size of the population of a community, and the number of resources each individual within the community is consuming. So that's all are the biology questions. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Also share this video to your friends and please like our video. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed for more updates of NTA mock test. Thank you.